potato roast, or ginger eggplant potato casserole, or ginger eggplant potato pulp, or ginger Hogwarkin potato roast, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger root recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg casserole recipes. We're going to make ginger eggplant potato casserole. We've taken around 100 grams of potato, peeled and cut into small pieces. We've taken around 100 grams of eggplant, cut into pieces. The next ingredients are around 1 onion cut into pieces, 8 to 10 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 35 grams of ginger, peeled and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, and salt to taste. Pour in turmeric oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces and the shallots. Put in salt to taste. Salt thoroughly. Thoroughly salt and mix. Keep on sauteing until the shallots reach their pinkish color. Onions reach the pinkish color. Put in the garlic, salt the garlic. Put in the ginger. Salt the ginger thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute mix. Now put in the potato pieces. Salt the potato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Put in a spoon of chili powder, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and a spoon of mixture spices. Salt and mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in the eggplant pieces. Thoroughly mix. Mix the eggplant pieces thoroughly. Thoroughly saute and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix the tomato pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Pour in 200 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And close and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, after the required amount of time, put in some curry leaves and a chili. Mix and let it cook for a minute. Ginger eggplant potato casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final ginger eggplant potato casserole or ginger eggplant potato roast or ginger eggplant potato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger root recipes and one of the most delicious of the eggplant recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.